guys. Welcome. Hey, Louis. Welcome, Louis. Welcome. Hey, Gary. Welcome, Gary. Hey, Solomon. Welcome, Solomon. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. All right, guys. We had some good moves today. The Dow finally broke out. All right. So we've been talking about the Dow breaking out, and we finally got that break of resistance. Today, our US 30 traders were in place, right, and did really well. Congratulations to Solomon. Good job, Solomon, for catching that trade. I'm trying to find it here. So, really good job. Here's the breakout, guys, right here. We've been talking about every evening, right? This is why we do this, right? So we stay focused, and here's the break right here, right? Here's the break right here. Big candle on the Dow, all right, on the Dow today. So good move in the US 30. This is on the dollar time frame, all right, on the dollar time frame. And here's the trade here on the 1 hour time frame. So great job, and uh, good profits here. It's for the US 30, good move, but it's not over yet. All right, it's still holding. All right, so overnight we could see where it could absolutely move higher. We'll wait to see, but so Solomon, hold on to it. All right, hold on, don't close it. All right, and hopefully it continues to move higher. Now, on as far as the index, let's take a look at the index. All right, we do have a buy signal. All right, a buy signal on the weekly time frame on the Dow, which is absolutely amazing. All right, so finally got a buy signal on the weekly time frame. Here's the all-time highs right here on the Dow. So we're not far from the all-time highs. All right, the last buy signal we got was in 2020, and here's the next one here. All right, so 2020, now 2023 buy signal here. Amazing, amazing. All right, so now we've got a buy signal on the weekly on the Dow. Real good confirmation. On the NASDAQ, we got our buy signal. Price is moving nicely higher, looking to test the highs up here. That's on the NASDAQ. The S&P has a buy signal. All right, buy signal right here on the S&P. Hey, Gary, let me know if you got on that US 30 trade, bud. It'd be great if you did. All right. And you can just type it in the chat if you want. All right, the S&P, all right, buy signal right here. And look how close we are to the all-time highs on the S&P, guys. Okay, if we can get near the highs here and break through, we could see this market really, really move. But hey, we'll take this for now, right? The Russell, all right, the Russell is breaking out of this wedge here. Okay, and so we could get a buy signal soon. All right, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a buy signal soon on the Russell there. All right, so good news, good news. We've been waiting for a buy signal. We've been waiting for the Dow to break through resistance, and this is why we do this, guys. If you guys look here, all right, we've had this resistance line right here, and look at this, absolutely perfect trading. Broke resistance, buy signal, buy the system. All right, absolutely perfect trading. And Gary, you missed. Oh man, you were working, huh? All right. No, you can't go in now. Too late, buddy. Too late. All right. Yeah, you can go in now. All right. Too late. It's moved up. If we look here, Yeah, if we look here on, and there'll be more opportunities, but this was a good one. We've been calling it. Yeah, so the buy signal was here. It's all the way up here, Gary. All right, but so it's too. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's too late now. It's too late. But you'll get another move, right? Right? There'll be more moves with the US 30. Okay. And the fact that it's breaking out now, that's good. All right. So we'll have lots more trades. Okay. All right. But this is just pay attention, try even if you when you guys if you're working, um, we might want to set up the email alerts. I'm not sure if you have your email alerts, Gary, but yeah, good trade here. Good trade here. Good trade here. All right, let's take a look at the markets here. All right, so the Dow right here, Dow breaking out. All right, on the daily. This is the daily now. All right, S&P, nice price action. Nasdaq, Russell, just clearly, nicely in the markup phase. All right. Thanks, Gary. Thanks, buddy. All right, next time. The VIX is at 1330, guys, so it keeps moving lower. Soon, it looks like we'll get below 13. All right, so in 12, and hopefully we just need that VIX to stay low like this. All right, low is the game right here with the VIX. Needed to stay low. All right, so good price action. I want to this evening take a quick look at the futures market, see if we have any, let's see here, any short and any long opportunities in monster futures. So we haven't looked at this in a couple of days. So we'll run the long and the short system, see what comes up. All right, the shorts, let's take a quick look. All right. All right, VIX short. That short has been going for a while now. We're launching a new VIX system soon. Great short in the VIX. That's still going. Let's see here. So that's all. Let's take a quick look at the long side. Oh, I just ran that. Okay. And Joe's on it. Joe, you getting your monster future system. We just need to do your installation here. All right. So let's see here. I'm looking for new opportunities. Gold. Let's take a quick look at gold. All right, gold. Keep an eye on gold. We don't have buy signals yet, but they're definitely looking at gold. All right. Crude oil. Let's take a look at silver. All right, so gold and silver is trying to make a run. It's an early run, but S&P, they're still pushing the S&P, right? We know we've been in that. So S&P still looks good. All right. So A lot of S&P. So it looks like the number one trade right now, absolutely the S&P, all down here. All right, so the S&P long. And we have some more gold down here. Okay. All right, so platinum is setting up. So the metals definitely will start keeping an eye on the metals. All right. So silver, look at the all silver, gold, all right, platinum, palladium, silver here. And we still have that soybean trade. You guys know we still have that soybean trade going. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I just wanted to take a quick look at futures. I know we haven't looked at it in a while. All right, let's take a look at our monster scalper long positions. All right, monster scalper long positions. I don't think we sent out a few picks in monster scalper today. So we'll spend more time on equities. With the Dow being up 666 points, guys, today, we should see equities do really well. All right. So pound dollar that closed up its position. All right. So pound dollar closed that trade. Buy signal was here on a perfect break of resistance, right, by the system. Buy signal here, broke support. Follow your systems. All right. Follow your systems, guys. All right. So buy signal here, sell signal here, close the trade. All right. So Lewis will be installing your system. Right. These are some of the examples that you want to follow. All right. In your system. All right. So make sure, right, when you do your trade, your trading, you buy on a break of resistance right here, sell on a break of support right here. Remember, we're going to get the meat of the trade, the meat of the trade. Not all of this. We don't try to buy down here, sell up here. Buy on a break of resistance, sell on a break of support, just like we do in coaching and training. Okay, so good trade there. So pound dollar, close that trade. All right. Pound HKD, another beautiful trade closed. Buy signal right here, broke support, sell signal here. I was hoping that these pound pairs would hold and move higher, but guess what? It is what it is. Take the profits. There'll be more opportunities. All right. Different opportunities. Pound SGD, right? Buy signal here, red candle, broke support right here, your yellow line right here. If we bring it over, that's your support, sell signal. We should be out. So they're definitely selling, getting out of the pound pairs. All right. So pound SGD, pound CAD, beautiful trade, pound CAD. All right. Buy signal here, right? On a break of resistance, broke support, red candle, perfect sell signal. All right. To get out. All right. So we bought here, sold here. Blue dotted line means it was a profitable trade. All right. So close that trade, pound CAD. So decent trade. We got some good trades out of the pound pairs. We got a decent breakout. So that's nice to see. All right. So we're out of those pound pairs long. EURTRY still holding. EURHKD buy signal is here. All right. Still holding. All right, still holding here. EUR-GBP, all right, buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. So those euro pairs are still holding, guys. EURS, USD, euro dollar, buy signal is here, holding nicely there. Euro SGD, all right, buy signal is here, holding all green candles. Euro Aussie, all right, keep an eye on Euro Aussie, guys. Really good resistance here. If you guys look here, not that it, can't break through, but just know that sellers are sitting here, 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 and here. All right. So if you get a white candle, I would say just close the trade. All right. But you have a nice, if it breaks out, the other pairs are moving higher. So If we draw a trend line here, let's see here, trend line right here. All right, right above here. We can get a nice breakout there. So white candle though, you might want to close the trade. All right, take a small loss. All right, so Euro Aussie, will stay with it for now. Okay, Euro New Zealand. All right, buy signal is here. That's holding. Aussie dollar. That's holding. Right, you got some highs here. Buyers are coming back in after a white candle, so that's good. That's a good sign. New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD. Buy signal is here. All right, and broke support right here, so we should be out of that trade. All right. ZAR yen, buy signal is here, and moving higher, broke resistance here, moving higher. Swiss yen, buy signal is here, moving higher. All right, looking to break through here. So good trading here with monster scalper long and taking some nice profits of the pound pairs. Okay, so if you guys traded some of the pound pairs, I know you did. Good job. All right, good job. Every week we want to build on your trading experience, right, and try to build on your capital. Okay, that's the goal. All right, don't go too heavy. Don't go get crazy, but work on it. Work on it. And I want to congratulate Solomon for doing that. Right, got a great week going. All right, great week going. Let's see here. Shorts. Monster scalper shorts. Okay, monster scalper shorts. All right, so CAD yen short. All right, sell short signal all the way up here. All right, still holding. We need sellers to come back in. You're welcome, Solomon. You did all the work, buddy. You did all the work. All right, Solomon, if you don't mind me telling them, guys, Solomon so far, all right, for the week. So we're talking Sunday, Monday, and now Tuesday, up about 2,700. All right, where can you go, right? And in half a week, not even a complete week yet, 2,700. And he's fixing some stuff. I'm very proud of him, right? He listened, fixed some stuff, fine-tuned some stuff, and is doing really, really well. And this is just the beginning. So those of you who are new, right, listen, Solomon is on here every evening. We have a lot of traders, right? A lot of traders. Not all our traders come on here. All right. Gary, I'm glad to see you coming on a lot more often. All right. Denny's on here a lot. All right. And we have other traders that do really, really well. They don't need the training anymore. But even if you feel like you don't need the training anymore, it's good to come on because it really does help fine tune your skills. So great job. Great. Very, very proud of Solomon. Okay. So let's see if we can push that P&L. Don't go crazy, but let's see if we can push that P&L, right? And build that up for the rest of the week. Okay. Especially with the US 30 and the NAS 100. All right. Good job. TRY JPY, right? Sell short signal here, right in place. All right. The dollar pairs. All right. We've been shorting the dollar. So dollar CZK, USD CZK, sell short signal is here, buy to cover, take profits. Okay. So we're going to close this. A good profitable trade there. USD CNH, another one here, taking profit. Sell short signal is here. Buy to cover here. All right, so good job. Take profits there. The other one, USD PLN, that's still holding the short position. So let that continue to run, guys. All right. USD HUF, sell short signal is here. Good trade going here. All right. Consolidating here at the bottom. All right. So if you get a white candle, I would say, take profit. But for right now, hold on. Dollar ZAR, always great to trade the dollar ZAR or any of the ZAR pairs. Sell short signal is here. trading nicely there. All right. Aussie Swiss sell short signal is here. All right, moving down nicely. Euro ZAR sell short signal is here. All right, holding. Pound ZAR sell short signal is here, moving down nicely. You know, guys, when you get a chance to trade the ZAR pairs, they will move. All right, they will move. You got to hold on tight, but they will move. Sell short signal is here, and that's moving down nicely there. All right, so those are the pairs in Monster Scalper. Let's take a quick look. What time is it? A quick look in Forex Dominator. All right. All right. So long positions in Forex Dominator. We'll go through this quickly. All right. Keep an eye. We are trading the pound pairs long. All right, in Forex Dominator. So keep an eye because those long positions closed in Monster Scalper. So just keep an eye. All right. Pound CAD pulling back a bit, which is expected. All right. Pound HKD pulling back a bit. All right. I wouldn't close them. Just keep an eye on them. Pound New Zealand, same thing. Pound SGD. Great trade going here. All right. Pound dollar, holding here. Euro CAD, holding. Euro HKD, holding. Euro SGD, holding. All right. Euro dollar. So the euro pairs long. That's the best trade right now. Long in Forex Dominator. All right. New Zealand dollar. Boy, that's a tough trade going there. Tough trade. Let's clean this up. All right, so we're gonna get rid of that. If you're in New Zealand dollar, just close that trade. All right, in Forex Dominator. Okay, short positions, and then we'll take a look at equities. That's really what we want to focus on this evening. Equities. All right. All right. Short positions in Forex Dominator. All right. And mainly the dollar pairs. All right. So USD CZK, that's holding the short right here. All right. Hopefully we get another trade like this. USD MXN, dollar Mexican peso, that's holding it short. Dollar DKK, holding it. I'm sorry, dollar Swiss holding it short. Look at this, really good price action all the way down. USD DKK, same thing. USD HUF, that's holding, that's a new short there. USD SGD, right? Good short going here. So you guys can see the pattern there. USD CAD, the dollar CAD, that's, we were concerned about the dollar CAD. But look here, sellers are coming back in. That's good there. Dollar ZAR, right? Love to trade the dollar ZAR, breaking support here. That's coming down. USD NOK, look at this one, right? Good job. Dollar pairs moving down nicely, right? Just like we need to see. All right, so great trades going in both Monster Scalper, Forex Dominator, and it's good to see the pound pairs taking profits. All right, let's take a look at equities. We'll start with Stock Boss and then Bullmaster here. All right. All right, let's switch these. All right, let's see how on the market being up like this, big like this, we should see good price action. All right. So as always, we're looking for these stocks, and we've been in this for what? A lot of these for a couple of months, 3 months now. So they should be, a lot of these should be nicely in the markup phase. I know stocks moves a little slower, but hey, we still, we want to be in as many of these markets as possible. Oh, good. Nice markup phase here. What we're looking for, white candles. All right, white candles. All right. Just want to make sure we've got green candles here to the right of your chart here. Green, all green candles moving up nicely. All right. White candles, we'll pay attention to those. All right. Otherwise, we let them run, go through that markup phase, guys. All right. Just leave them alone, let them run. All right. White candles, pay attention. So BIG, BIG. All right. White candles, pay attention to that. Okay. What's that? BKSY, white candle. Pay attention to that. I wouldn't close that one. Just pay attention to it. What's that? CIO, white candle. Pay attention to that. All right, just watch it closely. COMM, red candle. Close that trade. All right. On an up day like this, we should not have any red candles. All right. So that means it's weak. Right. That stock is weak. So just go ahead and close it. All right. The buy signal came in at 535. It's at 511. Small loss. Just close the trade. There are more opportunities. All right. All right. We don't take it personal. All right. Let's keep going here. Nice markup phase. EOSE, white candle. Just pay attention to that. Yeah. FOA, white candle. Pay attention. So these are holding. MCW, white candle. Pay attention to that. And we know we have the weekly time frame now. Okay, we've done the upgrade. So watch your weekly foundational time frame. PMVP, white candles. Pay attention to that. If you're conservative, close the trade. If you're really concerned about it. SOUN, that's been consolidating there for a while. White candles, pay attention to that, please. All right, very good. All right, not bad. Most of these are holding. We will look for new opportunities. So that's Stock Boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. Remember, Stock Boss, stocks that are under $10. All right, under $10. All right, Bullmaster, stocks that are over $10. And we go all the way up to, I believe, 5,000. Not that we trade those, but we have them. We have them available. All right. Same thing here. But we should see, when the markets move like this, we should see these large cap stocks, those popular names, expensive stocks move up really, really nice. Look at Adobe. Now, Adobe, that buy signal, when we got in that, right, was 385. It's at 532 right now, right? This would have been a good one for options, call options. Okay, so these large cap stocks, they will move. All right, but same thing. Let's go through these. I want to see them in the markup phase, all green candles. All right. AVDL, white candle, keep an eye on it. So these are nicely in the markup phase. Look at these. That. F, is this Ford? Yes. White candle. All right. I would pay close attention to it, guys. If you look here, you might want to get out too. If we look here, and remember, when the market's up like this and these stocks are not following the market, that's not good. Here we've got resistance here. This is where sellers are sitting. We'll actually count this here. This is where we have a gap down. So we know this area here, that's a big deal. And that price is $13.95. Let's call it $14. All right, $14 is a big psychological number for traders. Okay, so here is where sellers came in, gap down. Sellers came in here also. Sellers came in here. Here was a big area here. All right, and here we are right now here again. Okay, so there's a good chance, right? Sellers could really push this down. Now we'll keep it here, but if anyone is in it, all right, I would say close the trade. If you close it here, you still have profit. So the buy signal was at 13, was at 13.10. It's at what, 13? It closed today at 13.99. Okay, so see right here, if you look here, this is almost identical. This area here is almost identical to here. So you could see selling really comes in. Today was a big up day, right? We could have some selling tomorrow, and all of a sudden this right here collapsed down like it did here. So very, 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 as a matter of fact, I don't like this at all. So we'll just close it. Okay. So Ford, if anyone is in it, just close that trade, please. All right. Okay. There's so many better opportunities, right? And with the market moving like this, there's HAYW, white candle. Keep an eye on that one there. Great to see these stocks nicely in this markup phase. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. One after the other. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. All right. Let's see here. Snap. And those of you who've been here for a while, you guys know we haven't had, it's not every day we get nice runs like this. SMG, white candle. Pay attention to it there. That nice moves in stocks. All right. So that's everything here. Let's take a look let's go through these nice updates. So let's see if we've got new opportunities. Okay. New opportunities. And we'll use the new upgrade. We'll look at the foundational timeshare, right? I mean, time frame on the weekly time frame. All right. Weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. All right. So let's go through Stock Boss. We'll start with Stock Boss. So if you guys look here, let's run these. Hopefully we have a lot more. 87, not bad. I was expecting more, right? So let's go through here. We want to see buy signals that came in today, guys. New buy signals that came in today. We'll go through this quickly. All right. ASX, ASXC. All right. Good markdown phase. All right. Good markdown phase. Right, good risk reward, not a bad. 272, right? It's trading at 61, so inexpensive. Good buy signal here. All right, let's take a quick look at the weekly time frame. All right, weekly time frame. All right. All right. Good markdown phase on the weekly time frame. All right, we'll take this. All right. It's not in that markdown phase anymore. Right. It's somewhat in that accumulation phase. Right. White candles making higher lows here. We just need a green candle, but this is good enough here. All right. Especially with the market, how the market is doing on the weekly time frame. Look at this. It fell from $89, guys, and it's trading at 61 cents. All right. So even if it gets a pop to this resistance here, this high right here, you're looking at $7.61. And currently it's trading at 61 cents. All right. Seven, yeah. What's that? Nine. Yeah, nine over here. Right around $7. But good risk reward. Fell from 88 on the weekly. Okay. All right. All right. So ASXC, right? In that's in Stock Boss. Okay, let's keep going. All right. BLND, guys, look at this. Right? It fell from $20. Good risk reward, trading at $1.46. Right? Right. Good accumulation, good support here, good protection. Buy signal came in here and it's holding nicely here. So daily looks good. Let's take a look at the weekly. This is what we have to go through. We don't just buy just because we feel like it. All right. So we're going to take this one here. All right. So BL and D, here's the weekly, right? It's gotten through this markdown phase. All right. It's got pretty good support here, right? Now we do have a white candle here, so that's good. If we didn't have this white candle, I'd say hold on, right? So we do have this white candle here. Hopefully by the end of the week, all right, that white candle can be either a larger, longer white candle all the way up here or a green candle. All right, so that's good. Buyers are coming in. We can see that come in, and then we can see that on the daily. Worst case scenario, all right, worst case scenario, if it fails, break support, have a sales signal by our system to exit. All right, so BLND in Stock Boss. All right, let's keep going. New buy signals that came in today, guys. All right, QEQX. Let's make sure we're not in it. All right, we're not in it. Good markdown phase. Good buy signal here. All right, on the daily. Let's take a look at the daily. I think the daily looks good. Let's see. All right, the weekly. We know the daily looks good. Weekly here. Look at the weekly. Buy signal, held support. Look at this. Buyers are coming back in. Good confirmation, right? Look at this. Nice markdown phase, right? Support, really good support here. And you guys have seen this chart when you look at your 4 market phases, right? Accumulation, markup, distribution, markdown, right? Accumulation, markup. All right. So the weekly time frame looks great and good buy signal on the daily. So we'll add that EQX. And with the markets breaking out, with the Dow giving a buy signal today on the Dow, right? It's good. Good time for equities. All right, choppy. Good buy signal, guys, but very, very choppy. So we'll leave this alone. Some of these are tempting, but we have to stick with the buy signals on the day. Buy signal came in today. Nice buy signal, guys. But guess what? Here, if you look at the weekly time frame, it's still in the markdown phase, right? We can get sellers to come in, break support. All of a sudden, look what's happening right here, right? This could happen. So good buy signal on the daily time frame, but that weekly, right, still selling on the weekly. Okay. That foundational window will keep us time frame, will keep us out of trouble. All right. All right. So we don't have to chase these. LEV. I don't believe we're in this one. All right. We're not in this one here. Good buy signal, guys, right here. All right. Inexpensive, 244. And let's take a look at the weekly time frame. A lot of selling. Let's see if the selling has stopped. All right. Good markdown phase. A lot of selling. Found support. Right. So found support at around $2. Really good support. But look here. We've got this white candle coming in. I know it's hard to see right here. Look at this. All right. Nice big white candle here coming in. All right. So we'll take that. Okay. Price is flattening. All right. So that's good. So we'll take that. Go heavy, but you can certainly start adding. All right. And that's LEV in Stock Boss. The goal when we do this is we want to minimize risk. We can minimize our risk, no guarantee, but the goal is to minimize the risk by filtering, going through these, finding the best opportunities based on, you know, um, buyers coming into the trade. Almost done with stock boss. We have a few. We have 4 so far. Not bad. All right. So that's it for stock boss. We've got 4. We'll send those out to our stock boss traders later this evening. All right. Not bad. And those are the 4 that we picked. Those are good. All right. Those are good. I mean, there are more, but we want to get the buy signals that came in today. All right. There are a few that came in on, later, but all right. So Bullmaster, let's run these. So we have 121 stocks in Bullmaster. Now, some of these we're in. Okay, so let's go through these. We're looking for a buy signal that came in today, and then we'll be done. Now with these, we can also get stocks that are continuing to move higher with new buy signals. So a reaccumulation. Okay. All right. So ACGI. All right, we're not in this one here. We'll add this, okay? So ACGI, all right, ACGI, nice markup phase, broke resistance, big candle here, buy signal right here, reaccumulation. Good for call options, okay? Trading at about $80. All right, and let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, look at the weekly. This can be really good, guys, especially when the market is healthy, right? So we're continuing this move. All right, so Solomon, I know you trade options. This might be a good one for you. All right, ACGL, right? Buy signal here on the weekly from $50, $80. Broke resistance this week here. All right, right here, yellow line resistance, a big candle, and guess what? That daily looks really, really good right here. All right, so ACGL in Bullmaster. All right. All right, let's keep going. You guys will really like the change with the having the dual time frames. You will see your trades do really, really well, not only with the our stock systems, but Forex, right? We do it with the US, with the futures systems, right? So many opportunities. I said a lot of these we're in already. We're just looking for new opportunities, guys, new buy signals. Now, as traders, I know this seems tedious. Well, to most people that, if you're new, this might seem tedious. For us who've been trading for a while, it's like we're hunting for gold, looking for gold, guys. So To us, it's not tedious, right? It's just what it is, right? GT, let's make sure we're not in it. All right, we're not in it. Good one here, right? Again, right? It's in the markup phase. First buy signal here. Here's the next one here. All right. So that looks good. Daily looks good. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right. Weekly looks really good. That's your foundation, right? So good markdown phase. Look at this. Found support. So I found support here. We have a buy signal. Look at this. We have a buy signal. Recent buy signal last week on the weekly time frame. And look at right here. And it's inexpensive, $15. Not expensive. And look here, breaking resistance here on the weekly time frame. All right. So good confirmation. Very, very good confirmation. The daily and the weekly looks almost identical. They're breaking out at almost identical time. Okay, weekly, daily, perfect. So let's add that to Bullmaster GT. I don't even know what that stock is, right? We don't care. That's Goodyear. Goodyear tire. Goodyear. We don't care. It's just a symbol to us, right? All right. But good. That's a good setup. It's rare that the buy signal on the daily and the weekly that they're close. It's rare that you'll find those close like that. All right. Now I've talked about, as this market moves higher, we'll find opportunities, right, in that markup phase, right, to continue, right, that reaccumulation phase, continue to buy. And this is another example here. All right. On the daily time frame, moving up nicely. Guess what? Gapped up. Buy signal came in right here at 24. Buyers are jumping in. Right? When you see that price action do this, guys, big candles gapping up, right? They're jumping in. All right. So we want to do the same. Look at the weekly. Right? Look at the weekly here. All right. All the sellers have been exhausted. Right? Found support. Nice markup phase on the weekly time frame. Breaking resistance. Boy, look at that. Right? Right. So we'll add this IMVT. Double check to make sure we're not in it. I don't think we are. We're not. Okay, good. Good price action on the weekly. Great buy signal. This is a great buy signal. You might get a bit of a pullback because they're jumping in, so they might pull back a bit, but they should hold it. IMVT. We're in this one. ONON. And we're almost done with Bullmaster here. All right. I wasn't sure about this one until we pull back that chart. Nice markdown phase here. All right, you've got a lot of consolidation, but look here. Here is your resistance here, and it's clearing that area. Look at that there. Clearing that area. Buy signal here on the daily. All right. PINS, Pinterest. And look at the weekly. I think that's how you pronounce it. Look at the weekly, guys. Look at the weekly on this trade. Look at the weekly on this trade. This is why we want to take a look at that weekly consistently, right? With the system. And that's why we're integrating that weekly time frame, all right, or a foundational time frame with all our systems. All right. Look at this. Buy signal here. Look what happened. Good support. Buy signal here. Breaking out. Just a real strong confirmation. We don't trade it on the weekly, but look at that daily here. All right. Look at that daily now. Now look here. Now that you guys have seen this weekly, now we can get really excited about this weekly, right? Just the weekly by itself looks great. All right. But then when we add the daily, like here, we add that daily, our trading window, right? Look at that right there. All right. Look at that. Fell from 80, trading at 30. And look at that candle right here, clearing all of this junk here. All right. So weekly is solid, but now that when we add the daily and the weekly, boy, we have a much clearer picture there. All right. So PINS. So practice that. Right. Practice that, guys. PINS. You don't need multiple windows, right? You don't need 5 or 7 different time frames. Just your trading window and then one more solid time frame. Oh, we did this already. Pins. Okay. Let's open this up. Almost done. We're right on track. You guys should notice that these stocks are running. They're just moving. And with a lot of help by the market. It's because these indexes are moving why these stocks are moving. It's not the other way around. Oh gosh, nice buy signal here, but if you look at the weekly, right? You look at that weekly, right? Still in the markdown phase. Sellers could, they're still in control. So, all right, nothing here. Good buy signal, great buy signal, but that can turn, right? That can turn quickly. All right, let's go back here. See if we can get a few more. WRBY. Let's make sure we're not in this. Oh, we're in it already. That's fine. We're in it already. Let's see here. I think I saw another one. All right, let's take a quick look at this one. This is the last one here. Thanks for being patient, guys. Thanks for hanging in there. Oh, look at this. Complete mess. Very choppy, very choppy. Okay. So we've got four. So four in Stock Boss, four in Bullmaster. And we'll send those out. All right. To our traders. All right. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All right. The big news this evening, right? The Dow on the weekly time frame gave a buy signal. Where is it? Right here. That's a big deal. All right. This is a big deal. Right? A lot of traders follow the S&P, right? S&P is a big barometer, right, for traders, but the broad market, right? So the everyday person, right, really doesn't pay attention to the S&P. All right? Right? So the everyday person pays attention to the Dow. All right? So when the Dow, right, when the Dow starts to move and to make all-time highs, guess what? That gets out there in the news, gets on the radar for everyone else. So we could see where as the Dow has a buy signal, as it gets near breaking the all-time high. Now it's only about right here is the all-time high right here. We could see where people really start, where the everyday trader, right? Not even traders, just the everyday person, right? Starts to really buy and push it higher. It's a big deal. It is a big deal. The last time we had a buy signal, this is the run up we had on the weekly time frame. And we've usually, and then this buy signal here from 2019, right? It didn't last long. This was COVID here. This move down here was COVID. Okay. But this buy signal here lasted 2016 to about 2019. So 3 years, guys, 3 years here of buying. This one here was 2020, right? End of 2020 to 2022. All right. So 2 years of buying. All right. And here we are right at the beginning. So if we are lucky, I mean, this could be a new run, right? What if this new buy signal lasts, 2 years or 3 years, where we have we have an opportunity to buy like this or buy like this? It is a big deal. It is a big deal. All right, all right, all right. So treat it as such. All right. Our Monster US 30 traders, hold on. All right. So right here, where is it? Right here, your long position right here. Look at this. We can move this now. All right. Now that it's broken out, we can move all of this. All right. We can move. I would leave this here, but we can move all of this. And what we want, continue to just have green candles here. We don't need any white candles, no red candles, no sell signals, and just let it run. So Solomon, you're in this trade, you're in it good. Just hold on, right? Let it run, right? Your P&L could quadruple. And you've seen moves like this, all right? You've seen it where it can quadruple, okay? So just let it run. Let's see what the futures are doing. And we need those big, nice, big trades, okay, to make our month. Sometimes these trades will make your year. All right. Sometimes this, ask Ricky and some of our other traders, right? So right now, futures are flat, so no major concern. It's not down. Dow isn't down, right? I mean, it's flat, so it's no big deal. That should hold. If the Dow futures here was down 100 points, 200 points, I would say, yeah, you might have a concern. It's not up, but it's not down either. Flat here. All right. So good, good. All right, guys. Hope this helps. I will see you guys tomorrow for our next class. Um, get on these trades. Every single market, right, has opportunities right now. Okay. And we don't get this every time. So Forex, right? Futures, right? Equities, stocks, right? Um, a lot of good opportunities. So get on these trades, stick with the trades. You have your system, right? So that's going to minimize the risk, allow you to stay in the trade. So stay with your system, stay in the trade. Gary left, right? He missed that trade. He missed, and I know some of you guys missed that. I know Dean missed it. He was busy. So just know when you get busy, you miss some trades. All right. So try to stay with the market, with your systems. All right. All right, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.